Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant, and I'm excited to announce in today's video that this is the first in a whole new series of videos where I'll be walking you through the full processes of building a structured website, optimized for search engine rankings and using AI for many things, including help to create keywords, content, and internal links. This new website that we will build together follows on from our YouTube channel, also called The Voice of AI. It will serve as a model of how best to implement best practices when developing a website. Over the course of multiple videos, I'll be documenting each step involved in crafting a professional, high-quality site architecture that's designed to rank highly in search engines. You'll get to see firsthand all that goes into on-page optimization, content planning, technical configuration, and more. And in the first video, Lesson 1 and 1.1, we'll start by defining the goals for the Voice of AI website and mapping out the overall site structure. And today we'll cover defining your core post types and site sections, structuring post type elements for consistency, identifying target keywords and search queries to optimize content, and finally building internal links between the relevant pages. And by the end of this series, you'll have a complete inside look into the comprehensive processes of architecting an SEO-driven website. You'll be able to apply these best practices to your own sites and to your customers' sites. So proper planning of your site's architecture and content is crucial for driving organic traffic and rankings. And following these process steps will ensure your site has easier collaboration for your team, structured high-quality content, and a solid process for SEO growth. So let's kick off with the first must-have. We'll use Live Agent website for reference, as this is an excellent website which uses all the formulas that we will learn over the course of the video series. Let's kick off with number 1, defining post types. The first key step is to map out the main post types and sections for your site. These act as content clusters. For example, let's look at the product pages. We can call these features or services. We can look at pricing. We can look at resources, blog and templates, glossary and the directory. Also frequently asked questions. We can make case studies, and also of course we have a contact page. There can be many other post types too, but this is where you could consider your competitors. Usually if it's necessary for them to have a post type, it probably will be key for you too. Clearly identifying these up front provides direction for what content goes where. Don't mix glossary terms with blog posts or products with customer testimonials. It sounds easy, but the structure will make it clear. Keep things separated. Now on to number 2, structuring post type elements. Next, define the elements for each post type. For example, every product page could include something like this: a title and a short description, a detailed description, product images, specifications, frequently asked questions, testimonials, expert note, and of course a call to action. This structure ensures consistency across all product pages. Do the same for other sections. Outline required elements. This can make it really clear for your copywriter, for instance. The quality won't be random. A frequently asked question answer to a question is not just yes or no. It must be a minimum content of perhaps 100 words or a maximum content of 300 words. There is a clear indication based on your example content. Point 3, defining the content clusters, the search queries that we want to cover. We will be identifying keywords and search queries here. When you design content, you need to know what people search for. Keywords that lead to the SEO on your page now determine target words and search queries to optimize. If you want to rank for a topic like, let's say, AI training, you must create multiple pages about the subject. For instance, what is AI training and AI training services? But all must be in different post types. Use keywords research to identify queries and build content pages around them. This will power your SEO. 4. Now you're going to be able to confidently build internal links. Interlink related pages on your site. For something like, let's say, AI training, I will add the links and the blog posts and product pages and point those back to my core AI training services page. This will reinforce page authority. So in summary, to build a high quality SEO website, you need to first define post types, structure elements, identify target keywords, and link internal pages. And this creates an organized site with cohesive, optimized content. And I'll be showing you in an accompanying video how the Voice of AI website looks once I start to define these processes that we've discussed today. And you'll be able to find it under video 1.1 once it's complete, or just click on the link up there now. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks very much for watching the first video in this series. There's going to be many more, and join me for those soon. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel for more AI related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.